So in the last few lessons I've talked about intervals and shown you how to play them, how to form them, specifically the third, the fourth, the fifth and the sixth. Now I'm going to show you how you can use some of these and include the seventh. We go back to C. You play a C, the root. The fifth above, of course, you should know by now, is a G. Either one after the other or together. Now the next tone will be a sixth. Now if you play one after the other, it's a fifth and then a sixth, you've got. Now this should start to become apparent to people what this is. Rock and roll / shuffle boogie feel to it. Or you can go. That's just moving between the fifth and the sixth. Now, if you add the seventh but a dominant seventh, if you don't know what a dominant seventh is, you can go back to my lessons about dominant seventh. But very briefly, it's the same as a regular seventh but 1 fret lower. So in the key of C, the regular seventh would be a B. To make it into a dominant seventh, you take it 1 fret lower, so it becomes B flat. And now you get this. 5, 6, we'll say 7, but we know it's a dominant seventh. So if you do the same thing, but this time over an F chord, back to C, and it's all becoming rather familiar. G, again 5, 6, F, C. Here you have rock and roll type grooves and feels. And if we take an A here, you've got A is the root, the fifth is an E, the sixth F sharp. So now you can go. It's just 2 intervals, one after the other. So a fifth, a sixth, 5, 6, 5, 6. Add that dominant seventh. And all of a sudden you can play some rock and roll. It's as easy as that. The wonderful world of music. See you next time.